Hello guys, I hope you all are doing great. I'm here to tell you the best and good news for CA Foundation students. As everybody wants to do CA classes, but it requires huge amount of money all over India. So what is the solution for this? Do you even need to pay so much of money? Answer is no, absolutely no. Because Unique Academy for Commerce is offering free of cost CA Foundation classes for May 2023 attempt students. Yes, exactly free of cost. Is it possible? 100% yes. Because Unique Academy for Commerce is giving free education to CA Foundation students, CSEET students and CWA Foundation students since long time. So again for May 2023 students, again Unique Academy for Commerce has started the live batch, that too free of cost. So I request every single student to must join this initiative to get the quality education with entire 100% ICI study material, detailed revisions, internal test series, chapter wise, subject wise, and whatnot. Everything will be covered without a single penny payment. So hurry up. Thank you so much.